Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best electric skillet that you should buy. Let's do started. Number 1.
Roast, fry, stew, bake, and make casseroles in the Presto Electric Skillet with glass cover. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and entertaining. It features a generous cooking surface and high sidewalls. The Control Master heat control maintains the proper cooking temperature automatically, and the tempered glass cover makes it ideal for use as a buffet server. A heavy cast aluminum base with premium non-stick finish inside and out assures stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. Even scrambled eggs cook without sticking. Both skillet and cover are fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. Prepare wonderful fish, pork chops, chicken, roast, and stir-fry. Even make deep dish pizza in your Presto skillet. You'll save energy too because it's more efficient than using a range burner or heating the oven. The Presto Electric Skillet with glass cover. Available in 11-inch and 16-inch models.
Number 2. DRG 214AC Family Size Electric Skillet. Large 20 cuban pesos capacity, 14 inches of cooking surface and 25-inch depth provides up to 20 cups of cooking capacity. The True Glide Pfoa free, non-stick surface provides an even cook for consistent results. And makes cleanup a snap. The Cool Touch handle allows for secure handling during and after use, easily transfer meals from kitchen to table safely. Number 3. Crux Extra Deep Non-Stick Electric Skillet. Deep electric skillet, designed for even cooking with 3 extra depth for 50% more capacity. This 12 inches by 12 inches skillet has a 6-quart capacity and adjustable precision temperature control up to 400 degrees, so you can do everything from deep fry to simmer. Efficient design, made with durable materials and state-of-the-art digital technology. Our space-saving and energy-efficient products are designed to complement your kitchen needs, from rice cookers to coffee makers. We offer high-quality tools for cooking, baking, food processing, coffee preparation and much more. Number 4. Pfoa Electric Ceramic Titanium Skillet. This hard-working skillet features a 1,200-watt heating system, cast aluminum base and dishwasher safe tempered glass lid. Convenient Cool Touch handles make for easy handling, and the fully immersible skillet makes cleanup a breeze. This skillet's unique ceramic non-stick coating is 8 times more durable and cooks up to 30% faster than standard non-stick coatings. It's reinforced with titanium for outstanding strength and scratch resistance. This multifunctional unit is a must for every kitchen. It can roast, fry, sauté, steam or be used as a buffet. Number 5.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and here we have Cuisinart's electric skillet. It's a 5.5 quart capacity with 1,500 watts of power. It has a brushed stainless steel exterior with a non-stick interior. It comes with a tempered glass cover, so you can actually watch your meal cooking. It has an adjustable temperature dial here from warm to 450 degrees. The great thing about this is that it's fully immersible in water. It goes into the dishwasher, so cleanup is very, very easy. And one of the great things about this skillet is that it's a great addition, especially when you're entertaining. If your stovetop is full with all other pots and pans as you're preparing for your party, this is a great addition to help you out during that party. And you can also, it's so attractive that you can serve out of this as well. So there you have it, Cuisinart's electric skillet, which we are currently cooking chicken franchise in, which I'm going to season a little bit. Chicken franchise is not chicken franchise without extra lemon on it. There you go. Bon appetit.
Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.